This tutorial I will going to show on how to make natural blur photo manipulation with soft color effects. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop, then open your image. Then select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Alt/Ctrl+R for refine edge. Here select to onion skin. And select refine tool and select your hair outside area. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings. Then OK. Now select this layer and go to filter, then camera raw filter. Here increases and decreases just something as your desire. Now OK. Now select your subject layer and press Ctrl+J for layer copy. Select this copy layer and go to filter, then noise, then reduce noise. Here select to strength 10, preserve detail 0, reduce color noise 0, and sharpen detail 20. Now hold Alt key and click on mask. And select foreground color is white and select brush tool. And now use on your face. Now hold Ctrl key and select your two subject layers and press Ctrl+E for layer merge. Now take your background layer. Press Ctrl+T and resize your image. Now hold Alt key and click on mask. And select foreground color is white and select brush tool. Now select smudge tool and select hairbrush tool and must be selected your subject layer. Now off your subject layer and select your top of the layer and hold press Alt Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now select this layer and use color lookup. Select your any color lookup filter and must be opacity decreases low. Select this layer and use gradient. Select your any gradient fill and from blending mode select to soft light. And must be opacity decreases low. Now select your top of the layer and hold press Alt Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now select this top layer and go to filter then Nik collection then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on Add Filter. And use another filter. Select Darken and Lighten Center Filter. Now click on OK. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.